Good day, guys. So, I think the chemtrails, well, mainly the aluminum, help make tornadoes. I mean, think about it. We had a 3 mile long cloud of tornado this year. That's a big one. And here's my evidence, if you will. This is an old school tornado, and as you can see, it takes a while. Like, the air is flowing. It doesn't look like something's like trickling down and forming out of that. It's just slowly spinning. Okay, so weirdly enough, I cannot find one of a tornado forming on YouTube at the moment, but I know scrolling through Facebook, I watched one. You could literally watch it start to come down. Damn it. Start to watch it come down. If you go and watch what happens to aluminum when it hits Mercury, it like starts to form upwards or downwards, either way. And we know what causes a main thunderstorm. It causes that reaction of open and then electrical field. Is that Mercury. So if you have a bunch of aluminum in the air, that initial field shock to start the electrical charge for the tornado and our thunderstorm, that aluminum's going to start forming outwards, therefore helping create a tornado. Yeah. And I would like to point out that, it's in a couple books that some people push about some species, taking reflective particles and putting it in the air. And if I'm not mistaken, on that planet, they caused a big storm. Am I getting through to anybody yet? Stay weird, stay crazy. Have a lovely night.